What's up guys, Drew Peacock here. I just want to start out the video with a huge thank you. Today we hit 700 followers on Instagram. This is from you guys submitting me Rice or Nice picks for the Rice or Nice series. I love making those videos. It's fun critiquing your guys' cars. Although just one little thing, I kind of would really wish that people with cars that aren't super ricey or super nicey, which kind of sounds gay, please save your messages until you get get your car looking modded more. It's hard to make a video on cars that just have like one mod. Like if your car just has aftermarket rims, or it's just plasti dipped, or it's just got a wing, like it's kind of hard. It's got to have multiple things so I can actually make a full video, putting it in there. It wouldn't fit if I went, all right, little Jimmy here has got the whole 9 yards, and then, oh, little Billy here has got nice rims. Rate the car. Like, it wouldn't work. So just a little heads up. I've been looking through the messages, and you guys are sending me a lot of nice cars. It's just kind of hard, and it's hard to reply to everyone. So just be patient. If I don't reply and you still see your car in the video, well, I read the message. And if I don't reply, period, then just wait until your car is a little bit more modded looking, and then just submit it. All right, so today I'm going to be bringing you some Instagram fails. I put a poll up on my Instagram earlier whether I should stream or do some Instagram fail clips again like I did a few weeks ago, and you guys said Instagram fail clips, so I found some clips. They're pretty funny, I think, so I'd rather let them play and then me just talk after them. I don't want to talk during them, at least not first off. I'd rather you watch them first. So anyway, right off the bat, we see a Challenger, and we see him kind of getting him in between a rock and a hard place. Let's see what's up. Alright, so we got a boat right here in a driveway. I don't know why it's not hooked up to a truck. It's got some wheels on it, some chrome ones. And this dumbass throws it into reverse, joking around saying it's race mode, and then hammers the gas, and then he almost hits, what's way more expensive than his car, which is this little bike right here. Rest in peace to that garage door. I'm sorry you didn't need this abuse from a boat. But overall, this guy's kind of retarded. He was looking backwards too. I don't know what he was doing. Look at, he's looking out the back window as if he knows he's gonna be going in reverse. Like, what? I don't know what he was trying to do, but this guy's just a moron. Don't be this guy. At least do it in the middle of the street or some shit where it's a lot more safe than damaging someone else's garage or your garage, because that's pretty fucked up. So, all right, let's get to the next clip. Let's get to the next clip. Shit. All right, so in the thumbnail, we see this looks like an Evo, missing a fucking wheel, or at least what I can guess is missing a wheel. Let's check it out. Mitsubishi would never have to make another commercial if they just made this their commercial. All it needs to say is reliability at the bottom. Look at this. He's driving on 3 wheels and still racing. That's like, if you could race on 3 wheels, then you can daily drive on 3 wheels. That just goes to show you guys don't need to buy 4 tires anymore. Just buy 3. Just disconnect the last one if you've got an Evo. Subi, I don't know if you can get away with that, but this Evo for sure can do it. So, like, I wonder what's going through his headset. When you race and shit like that, you generally have a headset on, or his passenger. Typically, there's a little guide guy that is saying like, oh, you got a fucking 90 degrees turn in like a click or some shit. I don't know how they do it, but I wonder if they're like, fuck, I'm gonna die, or I wonder if they're like, nah, you got this, Mark. You do this all the time. Yeah, this is just this is Plan C right here, weight reduction. So I wonder what's going on, but I mean that's pretty insane right there. Alright, from the thumbnail, we see this atrocious ass. This would be a good submission for Rice or Nice. So we got a Honda right here. Don't do this to your car. I can just tell right here, this is bad. So I don't know what's flapping right here. I can take a guess. So I'm assuming, I don't know what that is. I think it's a tire sticker for when you buy new tires. I mean, this is just horrible. Like, dude, does this look cool to anyone? This looks like you stepped on a Hot Wheel and you broke the wheels. Like, this doesn't look cool. Like, no chick is gonna like this and be like, dude, you got a nice car. Like, dude, if this was nice, like, you'd see Lambos and Ferraris and shit like that be doing this. This isn't nice. This looks cheap as shit. I know it probably costs a lot of money to do this, but I mean, it's like when you guys look at lowriders and shit like that, you're just like, dude, that's kind of like a waste of money, at least in my eyes. I feel like this is a waste of money too. Like, this is just another culture of that. When I get it, it's a culture. It's a Japanese culture where people like this type of shit, but especially in America with the shitty ass roads, dude, you're fucked. You're gonna scrape on everything. I mean, Ugh. I could respect his duckbill though, but don't do this, please. This just ruins your car and your fucking sellability of it, unless you want to sell it to a 19-year-old or a 16-year-old. All right, let's move on. All right, so we got another stanced out car. It looks like this one's a Subi gang hashtag. I'd get one. I like WRXs, I like STIs, but I don't own one. Got a nice ass Eclipse. I like that color. Got a fart can. And we got Chinny McGee scraping up on the floor with his chin. I like the color of the Subaru. I don't like how low it is, and I don't like the wheel setup. I get it. Again, it's a style, but dude, if you got a fucking, if your bumper's tearing off everywhere you go, like I don't even see a dip right there, and his bumper's tearing off. Imagine when he gets to a driveway or when he gets to a speed bump. Like, I get it, you can get over stuff, but it doesn't even look bad right there. That thing is lowered and it got over it fine. Look at that. Oh my god, like his whole bumper's dangling now. That's just ridiculous. Please. Oh, this is gonna be outdated very soon, hopefully. I don't want to see cars like that. I mean, again, this is low, that's fine. This Subi is just way too freaking low. Look at that. Okay, anyway, well, let's move on. I could spend all day looking at this shit. It's kind of satisfying to see the bumper jiggle up and down as he drives away with regret. All right, you know how to come. You could see from the thumbnail. Mustang, it's obviously on some grass. Let's all take a bet. Is it A, he's gonna drive away straight, B, he's gonna try to park up on the grass like a 4x4, or C, he's gonna crash like a moron? All right, place your bet in the comments. All right, if you bet C, you are correct. Okay, we got Helen Keller or Michael J. Fox behind the wheel, because that was some shitty ass driving right there. And then his bumper gets torn off too, just to top it off. And now he's on the, you know what? No, this guy might have been smart. He might have wanted to get onto the freeway, and he was like, bro, there's no off ramp. He's like, dude, watch me, I'm just gonna make one real quick. He said, fuck it, and then he just did it. This guy might have been the smartest guy alive, come to think about it. He's like, dude, the Mustangs are known for crashing off and shit like that. No one's gonna bat an eye if I try to make an on ramp right here. And then now he's driving off free. Oh, it looks like that shit's all dented up too on the door. That's a nice ass wrap or paint job. I don't know what it is. It looks nice though, but I feel bad for that Mustang. Mustang people, please stop trying to do this. I know every car crashes, like, you know, every type of car at least. You know, this happens a lot with other cars, but you know, whenever a Mustang is leaving a car meet, everyone's recording because they know it's gonna happen. So we get caught the most. So just don't do this. It's not worth it. Just drive away, you know, give it a little gas, but don't fucking pedal down like this. Try to break it loose. You're not in a fucking drift car. It's retarded. Alright, let's move on. Another Evo. And he died. I don't want to joke about this too much. Oh my god. You guys think he died? Comment down below. Did he die? Just put yeah he died or no he didn't. I'm betting that he died, so I probably shouldn't be showing this, but you know what? For the sake of YouTube monetization, he did not die. In fact, he lived a great long life. He just never touched the car again because he died. All right, let's move on. Okay, wait, I've seen this one. I'm gonna pause it real quick. I call this one when it's 3:59 and you're out at 4. And boom, you're done. Time to go home. Pack it up, boys. Clock out. I don't like taking my car to mechanic shops for this reason. I don't think they do this personally, and this looks like it's their car because he looks very excited about it. He's like, yeah, fuck yeah, man, we did that shit perfect. Fuck lowering it, let's just fucking do this shit. So I don't know why they did this. I don't know if they were trying to do it or something, but I like this comment. Hondas can really take a beating. Yeah, it looks brand new to me. Rest in peace, side skirts, reed bumper, rice, fish cooking. All right, well, I don't know what they were going for. They look like they were happy, so I don't know, maybe they were trying to do that, but I don't trust mechanics. They're doing it with that shit with the closed or doors closed too. They don't want anyone to see. All right, first impressions from the thumbnail. We see a riced out Civic hatch right here, and we see a red wrapped Land Rover with some shitty, ugly red chrome rims. This is pretty nasty right here. This looks kind of, I mean, again, it's your own car. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't look appealing to me. The red wrap is okay. The rims kind of kill it. So let's just see what happens. Alright, so it's pretty obvious what's going on here. He just got back from Home Depot. He bought his new lawnmower. As you can see, it's got the new handle up there, so you can hold on to it while you're mowing the lawn. He obviously didn't bring his tow bed or his truck, so he's like, fuck it, we'll just tow it up to it. Turns out the lawnmower had a safety brake on and was trying to go the other way. He accidentally turned it on for some weird reason, and he's trying to fight back a little. As you can hear its little lawnmower cry. Didn't work though. The four-wheel drive Land Rover took over. I think they're four-wheel drive. I'm not a huge Land Rover person. I don't think their cars are too appealing, but I'm pretty sure their SUVs are four-wheel drive. As from this comment right here, that's where I got the idea from. So anyway, this obviously, what I can assume actually happened is this little Honda Civic said, bro, I could tow your car. I got way more power than you. And the Land Rover guy was like, dude, you're a fucking retard. The guy was like, nah, dude, I got a lot of mods on my car. I got that cold air intake. I got that aftermarket straight piped exhaust. I got this downforce wing, so I'll have way more grip in the rear. It'll pretty much be like I have four-wheel drive, buddy. He's like, all right, test it. And this Honda got his ass towed into a trap right here, and now he's stuck. So from what I can see, I bet that's what happened. So anyway, guys, this is the last clip I had. I didn't want to make this video too long, just something really quick. I want to try to hit the skate park before it gets too dark out. So I'll see you guys next time. If you liked the video, drop a like. If you want to submit your cars for Rice or Nice, please have a semi-modded looking car that is on the verge of Rice or Nice. Submit it to me at my Instagram and I will get around to it when I can. I have a long line of like 100+ messages, so I'm trying to dig through them as much as I can and filter out the non-Ricey or Nice ones, just the stock looking ones. Nothing against your guys' cars if they're stock looking. I'm just saying I can't really make a video on that. So send me your messages or your cars to my Instagram at ___ Drew Peacock right there. Give me a follow, send me your car, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you want to see more shit like this. I like posting car videos like this, so you know, just hang out with me. You could see my streams. I go up every once in a while, so we'll see. Maybe I'll get one tonight. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.